Thank you, Dimitri. Toma ahora la palabra Fernando Leite, que viene a contar la experiencia de Oporto en la gestión de residuos. Fernando, cuando quieras.
Sí. Buenos dias e graças pela invitação. Eu não hablo castelhano como Jean-Pierre e, portanto, tenho que tentar falar em inglês. In this moment, I would like to remember also Carlos Martinez, is my dear friend and also dear colleague. To the Portuguese colleagues, Carlos was a friend, was a teacher, was a leader, and we remember very well Carlos. So here and now I would like to pay our tribute to Carlos Martinez. I'm going to start with the presentation in 10 minutes. The agenda, 3 quick points: LIPOR vision towards a circular economy, waste and circular economy, and at the end, a case study in our case in Portugal, the Smart Waste Portugal. LIPOR is a public company. We belong to the 8 municipalities of Porto region. It's an interesting project. Here we have a video of 5 minutes, so I'm going to pass the video. I suppose it will be in the site of the conference, and please see the video. It's very interesting about our activities. In our case, now we want in our strategy to be a new trend in the management of the waste. We think that with the circular economy we can go over some problems we have now in Portugal. We have 3 interesting plants: a composting plant, a sorting plant, also an incineration plant in an integrated system of waste management, and a landfill where we put only no more than 3% of waste. Here is our circle model. I'm going to pass also the model is like we understand in the perspectives of Ellen MacArthur Foundation. Also the data in our circular model, and some circular practices we have now in our company. We have projects of awareness in the consumption area. We have also in the market the sustainable public procurement. In products we have a lot of prevention projects, and also in raw materials, and in this part we have a strategy of biodiversity and also a carbon strategy. How does the waste sector can contribute to the circular economy? This morning we have spoken already in these trends, the question of the population, also the context of the extraction of natural resource, and all of us, we know very well this problem, the price volatility. Also in this morning we speak about that, and here what we understand to the circular economy in the perspective of the Ellen MacArthur Foundation. For us, the linear economy is the old strategy we have in LIPOR since 2012, 2013. Now we try to implement the perspective of circular economy in our corporate strategy. So it's important to have this kind of guidelines from Europe. Also in Portugal, the government tried to implement the accordant discipline in this kind of rules, the transition from the rules, the European rules, from Portuguese rules. And is important the circular economy package we know in the December of 2015. The main ideas we agreed, obviously, with that: stimulus European transitions towards a circular economy, and also to promote the sustainable growth, and also to generate new jobs. And for Portugal, is this kind of problems are, we agreed a lot with that, we need that. Some ideas, the rethink process, the business tools, power of citizens, some opportunities and challenges. What is the case we have here? Is we promote in Portugal a smart waste network. Portugal is a small country, it's not a country with regions, and so we try to discuss with other partners that to promote the circular economy we need to have scale. We need to have a group, an important group of companies thinking in terms of circular economy and preparing an action plan for all the country. So here is what we name the Smart Waste Portugal, is a business development network. In this platform we have great companies and small and medium companies, we have universities, we have the financial sector, we have also departments from the government, so we try to work together to implement quickly the strategy of circular economy. We start with a study. We don't know how is the impact of the waste sector in Portugal, so we try to have this kind of study in the perspective of circular economy. We are going to end this project in next October, and after that we are going to discuss with this platform all the actions to implement in practice in the future years. As you can see, we have a lot of companies, more than 65 companies working in this platform, and we look to have good in the future. Thank you very much for your attention.